Why you should give the best content as a free resource on your webinar? Your customer on your webinar is not attending a webinar for the first time. He has attended several such webinars, and when he's on your webinar, he's looking very hopefully towards you that he can find the solution which he's looking for in your webinar. And that is the reason he is so hopeful for that particular solution. Now you have done a great webinar, you have delivered the best content, you have actually given your 100%. Now let us get into the shoes of your target customer and understand where he is right now. He is half convinced. He is at a situation where he is thinking yes, whether he should go for it, whether he should not go for it. 50% of his mind is thinking that yes, he should take a decision. 50% of his internal dialogue is he should not take the decision. You will have many customers in this situation and you would have already experienced this. So what you should be doing at this particular time, what is the strategy you should implement? At the best strategy to implement is to offer the best content as a free resource in the form of bonuses. When you offer your best content as a free resource in the form of bonuses, now he's already sold onto the product, but he's taking a look at your bonuses. Whatever number of bonuses that you decide to offer, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bonuses, these bonuses should be so compelling. These bonuses should create the curiosity with him. These bonuses should create the scarcity. These bonuses should create the sense of urgency in him, to an extent that he should not be ready to lose the free resource, lose these bonuses if he is not taking that buying decision. That is where this free resource, the best content in the form of free resource, is going to play the trick, and you're going to have many customers whom you might have otherwise lost. Once you lose the customer, it is very difficult for you to get the customer back on your webinar. So guys, please implement this strategy. Give your best content in the form of free resource, and you will have customers for life. You will have many customers who otherwise would have left without a purchase. If you want to learn more ways to conduct the successful webinar, please click on the link below. Register for the next upcoming webinar where I will see you live.